Imagine a city where time seems to have paused, where history and modernity beautifully interweave, a city that is Aligarh. Now, picture a girl, an Indian girl, with long dark hair that catches the sunlight just right, flowing like a river down her back. She stands 5 feet 4 inches tall, a perfect blend of strength and grace. In Aligarh, she's a familiar face. The narrow, winding streets are her playground, the old, weathered buildings her silent companions. Every brick, every stone, seems to whisper tales of the past, and she listens, her heart beating in rhythm with the city's pulse. Her footsteps echo on the cobblestone streets as she walks, her long hair swaying gently with each stride. She navigates the city with an ease that comes only from a deep-rooted sense of belonging. The aroma of the local street food wafts in the air, the vibrant colors of the marketplace playfully reflecting in her eyes. Each day, she embarks on a new adventure, her journey weaving through the city's heart. From the bustling bazaars to the serene university campus, from the ancient mosques to the modern cafes, she explores them all. Her experiences are as diverse as the city itself, each one adding a new layer to her story. She's not just a spectator in Aligarh's grand narrative, but an active participant. She's a student, a friend, a dreamer, and a storyteller. Through her, we see Aligarh in a new light, a city that's not just a backdrop, but a character in its own right. As the sun sets, painting the sky with hues of orange and purple, she retires for the day, her heart brimming with new stories. And as the city sleeps, she dreams of the roads less traveled, waiting for another day to explore, to discover, to live. In her journey, she embodies the spirit of Aligarh, a city that's as diverse as its people, a city that's both a memory and a promise. Through her eyes, we experience the magic of Aligarh, a city that's not just a place, but a feeling, an emotion, an experience. So, here's to the girl from Aligarh, who walks the city's streets with a heart full of dreams and a spirit that's as unyielding as the city itself. May her journey inspire us all to explore, to discover, and to fall in love with the world around us, one step at a time.